Water cooler machine used to make cooling water for mixing the dough, ensuring the dough remains at the ideal temperature. Pour cool water into dough mixer bowl, then mix smooth and elastic dough. Hydraulic dough divider machine, used for portioning the dough into individual pieces of equal size for consistency. Baguette dough moldering machine, used to shape the divided dough pieces into long, cylindrical baguette shapes. Spray-type commercial dough proofer machine, used to provide a controlled environment for the dough to rise and ferment, allowing flavors to develop. Then R&M machinery rotary oven, used for baking the baguettes evenly. The oven can be optional added with steam injection, creating a crisp crust and soft interior.